So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a Nike shirt or an Adidas shirt. Probably gonna do a Nike shirt using a Cricut Design Space software and Cricut machine and a good old heat press. I really don't know how to screen record on this laptop, so y'all just bear with me. I'm gonna hold it with my I'm gonna hold the phone with my hand. So we're gonna click new project. We're gonna do upload. Do I already have a Nike shirt in here? Let's see. We're gonna do upload image. Let's see, do I have a Nike shirt in here already? I'm not gonna show all of it because I don't want y'all to see my login information. So I'll edit this part out. I do my YouTube thumbnails in Canva. You can do almost anything in Canva, banners, all type of stuff. So we're gonna click on social media. I'm gonna just find the regular, just a regular little blank screen is all I need. Wi-Fi going slow. All right, so I'm gonna hit upload. So I got this pic from Google. We're just gonna share, download it to my computer, and click download. So now all I'm gonna do is just upload it to Design Space. And then just click simple. It's a real simple photo, so we're just gonna click simple, and then much to do to it. Now I'm gonna just go in and take out the background everywhere that I see it at. And so it's ready to cut. We're just gonna do cut image, upload, and we're gonna click the logo, and then over here in the right corner, add to canvas, and it's gonna load up on the screen. So this is basically the mat, and it's just ready to be cut. So I'm just gonna drag it out to however big I want it. We won't do it too big. A height may do like 4 or 5 inches. We'll say like, we'll go with 5. We'll do 8 by 5. Okay, so yeah, that look good. We'll do an 8 by 5. Let me drag it over a little bit more. So, okay, so we'll do an 8 by 5. That's good. Click make it over here in the right hand corner. Okay, make it. Then we're gonna make sure we have mirror on. And then we're gonna hit continue so that they can send it to the Cricut machine and get ready to print it out. All right, let's walk over here. All right, so basically I just have it taped off with this tape so it don't move when it get ready to get pressed, because that's a headache if you think it's cutting and then you pull the paper and it don't be cutting nothing out. So let's do this and see what we got. And let's go. And it don't take that long to cut it out. I have the Cricut, what version is it? Cut Smart 2. Cricut machine, Cut Smart 2. Explorer Air 2. Alright, so it's done. So it cut off my rear. I guess that's a mistake I made on the Cricut Design Space. I didn't pull the logo down enough. So let me go back over here and do it and correct it. Alright, so just pull this down so we make sure that it's not gonna get cut off. Okay, and click continue. So this button feeds it into the machine and this button cuts. So let's cut. My fingerprints everywhere. And it don't take that long to cut it out, so thank goodness. You can see the print right there. So you can see the outline of the logo. And that's it, it's done. So I'm gonna take it off the paper. All right, so this is the old one, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Set that back there. Put this in the trash. All right, so I'm gonna get my little weed thing. And just weed it out. So I think I got this little weed thing from Michael's. So or did it come with the machine? I can't remember, but I know I saw one in Michael's. All right, so let me show y'all what it looking like. If it can hold up. All right, so this is what it looks like. I noticed the E has a little edge on it that's not even. I don't know why, but you know, this is just a little test run. So I was trying to find a size medium or large to put it on, but all I had left was a small. And I can't wear a small, but just for this video sake, I just want to show y'all what it's gonna look like. So now we're just gonna wait for the machine to get hot. I got it set at 309 for 10 seconds. So that's that. Just so you know, I'm not selling these people Nike shirt now. I'm just making it so y'all can see what a Cricut machine and a heat press can do. Like if you gotta go somewhere, if you just want a fresh Nike shirt, Adidas shirt, Polo, Ralph Lauren, Dior, whatever you want, you can print it out on the Cricut machine and press it. Don't be trying to sell these folk clothes. So I have my own clothing brand. So I make my own clothes, but this just a video showing you that you can do whatever you want to do. So let's get back to it. This thing, no, it's dusty. All right, so the shirt is almost, not the shirt, the machine is almost hot. The logo is right here. I don't know why I can't talk, but the logo is right here. And let's get it. I think it's all right, y'all know I be trying to do this thing one hand. I need a camera person. All right, this ain't gonna rig. I'm gonna hit myself in the face. Let me put the camera down. I'm gonna prop it up. All right, we're gonna do a preheat. Swing it around. I be forgetting this thing come out. And we're just gonna center it as well as I can. This thing look crooked. If it's crooked, y'all don't hold me. I really can't see. All right, so I think we're good. And we're gonna press it for 10 seconds. But yeah, like I was saying, y'all don't be trying to sell these people clothes. You can just make them, like if you're trying to go out somewhere. If you want just a bunch of Nike clothes in your closet, this is what you can do. Instead of paying all them thousands of dollars for all them clothes, get you a $200 heat machine and a Cricut machine, like $150. And you can make any type of clothes that you want to make. So I'm running my mouth. I forgot this thing was pressed down. Okay. So all right now, Nike. All right, Nike. I'll be sold these shirts. These things look good. Ooh. All right now, Nike. I'll be done went into business. All right now, Nike. All right, so y'all seen it firsthand. Cricut Design Space, Cricut machine, and a heat press will get you a Nike shirt. Make sure y'all comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.